Dear students, how are you all? You all are welcome to my today's class. I am Taranna Akter, assistant teacher, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School. Today I will teach you the rules of articles. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to use articles correctly in sentences. Now, you read the following sentences and mark the words in italics. A. Rajshahi is an old city. B. It stands on the Podda. C. The cow is a useful animal. D. Do you see the blue sky? The words A and D are articles here. They take their positions in front of nouns or noun equivalent words. Articles are used before nouns to show whether the noun is definite or indefinite. Definite words take the and indefinite words take a or an in front of them. So an article is a word that comes before a noun. You know what is noun? A noun is a naming word. It is one kind of person of speech. Now you see the definition of articles. Articles, determiners and quantifiers are those little words that modifies noun. Sometimes these words will tell us whether we are referring to a specific or general thing. Sometimes they will tell how much and how many. Lots of sweets, many chairs, a great deal of confusion. In English language, there are total 3 articles, A, N and the. These 3 articles are divided into 2 types, definite and indefinite. Definite article, the is used to refer to any particular person, place or thing. Indefinite article, A and N does not refer any particular noun. So what we have learned that English has 2 articles, the, 2 types of articles, the and a or an. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a or an the indefinite article. Definite means which is specific and indefinite means which is not specific. For example, if I say let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. Now I will discuss about the use of a and an. The article A is used before singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sounds. Example, I saw a bear at the zoo. Rule number 2. The article an is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds. For example, he is an actor. 3. Remember that a or an means one or a single. You cannot use them with plural nouns. Example, I saw a bear in National Park. This is incorrect. I saw a bear in National Park. This is correct. 4. Use a before words such as European or university which sound like they start with a consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. Example, she is a European. Remember, it is the sound, not the spelling, which is important. I am repeating again. It is the sound, not the spelling, which is important because in this sentence you see European. The starting of the word is with the letter E, but we have written A before this word because you pronounces like Y-O-Y-O-U. Use an before words such as our which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. Also use an before letter which sound like they begin with a vowel such as M. It is the sound, not the spelling, which is important. For example, M is pronounced E-double-M, like it starts with E. Example, you see the example, I only have an hour for lunch. He is an MM. Hour we don't pronounce hour. We say hour. So we have used and before this word. 6. Use of a sometimes changes the meaning of word. For example, few means not many. A few means some people or things. Example, I have few books. It is used to say that there are not a lot of books. See the second example, I have a few books. It is used to say that there are a small amount of books. Now see the use of the. 1. Rule number 1. We use the to talk about a specific thing. I caught a fish. It doesn't matter which fish. The fish was big. Here the is used because that particular fish was big. 2. We often use a when we mention something for the first time and then change to the when it is clear which thing we are talking about. For example, he was talking to a man. The man was laughing. We have used a for the first time, but for the second time we have used the because for the second time we have learned about the man. We use the with adjectives to refer to a whole group. She has given money to the poor. We use the with the names of rivers, mountains, groups of islands, canals and oceans. For example, you see the Pacific is the name of ocean, the Podda, the Suez Canal and the Himalayas. We use the to denote the name of a nation. For example, the Bengalis are freedom loving. We also use the with superlatives such as you are the tallest person in the class. Here tallest is superlative degree. B. Before ordinal numbers, as this is the third time I have called you. C. Before musical instruments, as he can play the flute. D. Before newspaper's name, as I read the Observer every day. Before the names of holy books such as the Quran. We also use the before direction as the west, the southeast. G. Before names of things that is unique of their kind as the sun, the sky, the earth. These all are unique. They have no second one. H. Before single designation as the president, the prime minister, the headmaster. Before the name of date as the 10th of November, the 26th March. Before the geographical name of a country, the USA, the Punjab. Now I will show you where you will not use any article. We will not use any article before certain places when they are visited or used for their primary purpose. For example, school, college, university, mosque, temples, church, bed, hospital, prison. You see the sentence, I go to college every day. I go to college for study. So here no article is used. Now you see the use of articles through a diagram. Articles and a, we use an a with singular noun beginning with a vowel. We use an a with singular noun beginning with a consonant. And we use the for singular and plural nouns, but the noun have to be specific. We don't use article before languages and nationalities like Chinese, English, Spanish, Russian. We don't use article before the names of sports like volleyball, hockey, baseball. We don't use the article before the names of academic subjects like mathematics, biology, history, computer science. Now let's quickly revise what have you learned from today's lesson. How to use articles A and the. We have learned about this. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. We don't use A before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, A comes before the noun. For example, a dog, a chicken, a boy, a teacher, a girl, lesson, a website, etc. N is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use A before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U, N comes before the noun. For example, an umbrella, an owl, an image, an hour, an enemy, an author, etc. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. Special, for example, the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, the rain, the south, the west, the north, etc. Do you know what does countable noun means? Okay, I'm telling you. Countable nouns are for things that we count using number, and uncountable nouns are for those things that we cannot count with number. Let us do some exercise. Fill in the gaps using articles. Think about the blanks. Be careful for question number 5, 6, 8, 10. I think you have thought now, okay? Here the answer. Answer number 1 will be A, 2 and 3 and 4, A, 5 and 6, A, 7, A, 8, A, 9 and 10 will be A. Next one. Complete the sentence with correct article. 1 number. Dash plates are on the dining table. 2. I want dash burger. 3. There is dash orange on the table. 4. Students are welcoming the chief guest. 5. He is in dash rush. 6. I have got dash plan for that. 7. She is always smiling and kind to dash student. 8. Our teacher is dash important person in everyone's life. 9. He is dash best in this subject. 10. There was dash lot of fun while playing cricket. I hope you have tried. Now check the answer. 1 number D, 2A, 3 and 4D, 5A, 6A, 7D, 8 and 9D and 10 will be A. Another one. Fill in the gaps using A or and D. Write no article where no article is needed. Our friend is dash asset. He stands by his dash friend in time of danger. He is not dash greedy man. He always wishes for dash welfare of his friend, but it is dash matter of dash fact that dash ideal friend is very rare today. Dash selfish man cannot be a true friend. You also think about this. This is a passage. When you will write the answer of passage or take passage, then you have to write only the answer. Don't write the passage on your answer sheet. Okay, let us see the answer. A will be and B no article, there will be no article. C, A, D, D, E, A, F no article. G and H will be A. So dear students, that all about articles. Now I will give you homework. You will do it in your khata. I will show it when the school will open. So thank you my dear students for watching my class. In my next class I will discuss about tense, inshallah. Don't miss the class. You all will see the class certainly. Thank you all for watching my class. Allah Hafiz.